I pray for every ghetto youth. Rasta 263. Universal Father, bless everything that their hands touch. Guide them every step of the way. Babylon's system has tempted many to cut corners, but Jah, show the youth another way. Open their minds, open their eyes. Keep the demon of betting far away from your children. Teach them that honest work has reward. Every penny, every dollar, every shilling, every zig, bless it, multiply it. Let their labor never be in vain. Jah, hear our prayer. They have big dreams, they carry dreams too big to leave unfinished. Some carry their younger brothers, some carry their younger sisters. Some dream of better homes, some dream of driving Porsches, some dream of Lamborghinis. But Father, the load upon their shoulders is heavy. Help them carry it, walk beside them, never leave them. I pray, oh Jah, Jah Jehovah, protect them from Babylon's system. Show them a way, give them wisdom, give them direction. They never asked to be born into this cruel world. Guide them, Jah, guide them, Jah. Remove every distraction. Some are raising families, some are paying school fees. Some have no parents, some sleep beneath bridges. Some call the streets their home, some hide their pain inside the bottle. Have mercy, Father, mercy, Jah. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy. It hurts to be called a street kid. I never knew my mother.
What about my father?
Guide us, Jah,
Protect us, Jah.
we are your children.
Guide my